Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
If your iPhone X stops recognizing your face, this is a hardware pairing issue. The True Depth camera and Secure Enclave are cryptographically paired at manufacturing. That pairing prevents third-party modules from restoring Face ID reliably. Start by updating iOS and restarting the phone to rule out software causes. If diagnostics still show Face ID errors, the only reliable fix is an authorized repair or Apple Logic board service. Unauthorized screen swaps often break Face ID because pairing cannot be transferred. Before seeking repair, perform a software check and full restart of the phone. Update to the latest iOS version to eliminate known software faults. Open Settings and reset Face ID, then retrain your face in a bright, even light. Inspect the True Depth area for cracks, debris, or moisture that can block sensors. Run Apple Diagnostics or visit Settings Diagnostics to record any hardware error codes. Persistent hardware errors mean a software reset will not restore Face ID functionality. Face ID can only be restored by Apple-authorized repair because of factory pairing. Apple technicians can replace the True Depth camera, swap the display, or service the logic board. In some cases, they must repair components using proprietary tools that third parties cannot use. Prepare for an estimate. Costs vary and logic board service may be recommended. Back up your data with iCloud or iTunes before service to prevent loss. After authorized repair, follow setup prompts to re-enable Face ID and verify operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.